Hi friends, today we're going to do a body system and it is called the circulatory system. Yay! Let's go! Let's start it. What is the circulatory system? Your heart and blood vessels make up the circulatory system. The main function of the circulatory system is to provide oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to muscles, tissues, and organs throughout your body. Another part of the circulatory system is to remove waste from cells and organs so your body can dispose of it. Your heart pumps blood to the body through a network of arteries and veins, which is blood vessels. Your circulatory system can also be defined as your cardiovascular system. Cardio means heart and vascular refers to blood vessels. The circulatory systems provide blood to all the body's tissues so they can function. What are the parts of the circulatory system? The circulatory system does not have many parts. The parts of the circulatory system are your heart, a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout your body, blood vessels, which include your arteries, veins, and capillaries, blood made up of red and white blood cells, plasma, and platelets. What are the types of blood vessels? There are three main types of blood vessels. Arteries. Arteries are thin muscular tubes that carry oxygenated blood away from the heart and to every part of your body. The aorta is the body's largest artery. It starts at the heart and travels up the chest, ascending aorta, and then down into the stomach, descending aorta. The coronary arteries branch off the aorta, which then branch into smaller arteries, arterioles, as they get farther from your heart. Veins. These blood vessels return oxygen-depleted blood to the heart. Veins start small venules and get larger as they approach to heart. Two central veins deliver blood to your heart. The superior vena cava carries blood from the upper body, head and arms to the heart. The inferior vena cava brings blood up from the lower body, stomach, pelvis and legs to the heart. Veins in the legs have valves to keep blood from flowing backward. Capillaries. These blood vessels connect very small arteries, arterioles, and venules. Capillaries have thin walls that allow oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and waste products to pass into and out of cell. How does the circulatory system work? The circulatory system consists of a vast network of organs which functions by transporting the essential requirements throughout the body. The heart, blood vessels, and the blood cells are considered the key organs in the circulatory system. The functioning of the circulatory system begins from the heart, which is found at the center of the human chest cavity and functions by pumping blood to different parts of the body. The heart is composed of four different chambers, left and right atriums, which make up the two chambers at the top, and the left and right ventricles from the two chambers at the bottom. These chambers are separated by one-way valves. The circulatory system includes main blood vessels, which are responsible for circulating fresh oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Blood is the transport media of the circulatory system, which functions by transporting all the essential requirements, including the respiratory gases, digested and absorbed nutrients, and other excretory products. How does the circulatory system work? Part 2. The pulmonary and systemic systems are two independent networks that work together. They are three different types of circulation that occur regularly in the body. Pulmonary circulation carries the oxygenated blood away from the heart and to the lungs. Systemic circulation carries oxygenated blood away from the heart and to other parts of the body. Coronary circulation carries oxygenated blood to the heart. The deoxygenated blood is carried by the veins to the right atrium of the heart, which is then pumped throughout the pulmonary artery and enters the lungs, where the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen takes place. The systemic system of arteries carries oxygen and nutrient-rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Veins carry the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. The capillaries are the smallest type of blood vessels which provide the bridge between the arteries and veins. How is the circulatory system connected to other body systems? Nervous system. The nervous system is made up of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain sends messages to the heart telling it to beat. The heartbeat pumps blood throughout the body so that nutrients and oxygen can be brought to cells and waste can be removed. Digestive system. The digestive system breaks down foods that take out needed nutrients. These nutrients are put into the bloodstream for the cells to use as energy. Minerals and vitamins are also put into the bloodstream to strengthen bones and the immune system. Muscular system. The heart is a muscle. The expanding and contraction of this muscle is what pumps blood throughout the body. Respiratory system. Respiratory system is how oxygen is brought into the body. It enters through the lungs into the alveoli. From there it sends through blood vessels into the bloodstream for the body to use. At the same time, carbon dioxide is brought to the lung through the blood to be exhaled. Skeletal system. Marrow inside of bones produces red and white blood cells. These blood cells are parts of the bloodstream and are responsible for carrying oxygen and fighting off disease. Immune system. The immune system is made up of white blood cells and antibodies. These things travel inside the blood so they can be transported to the site of infection or invasion to remove and or hopefully destroy it. This is how you fight off sicknesses. Diseases that affect the circulatory system: heart attack, myocardial infarction, or MI, the technical term of for a heart attack. A heart attack can occur when the blood supply is cut off from the heart, often by a blood clot. Some heart attacks are minor, but others can be life-threatening. High cholesterol. High cholesterol is usually caused by a sedentary lifestyle and an unhealthful diet. Some people can also be genetically at risk of high cholesterol. People need cholesterol, but too much cholesterol can form a thick layer on the side of the vessels, blocking blood flow. Stroke. A stroke can happen when the blood vessels that lead to the brain either becomes blocked by a blood clot or bursts. This stops blood flow and prevents oxygen from getting to the brain. High blood pressure. Hypertension, which is called hypertension. High blood pressure or hypertension means the force or pressure of the blood flowing through the vessels is constantly too high. High blood pressure can lead to stroke, loss of vision, heart failure, heart attacks, kidney disease, and reduced sexual function. Foods that are bad for the circulatory system: sugar, salt, fat. Over time, high amounts of salt, sugar, saturated fats, and refined carbs raise your risk for a heart attack or stroke. If you're worried about your heart, you will want to keep these all out of regular rotation. But rather than fixate on any one bad food, it's wise to focus on your overall diet. You can still have these things if you mostly eat healthy fruits and vegetables, whole grain, lean protein, and low-fat diary. Dairy. Red meat. Eating too much beef, lamb, and pork may raise your odds for heart diseases and diabetes. It may be because they're high in saturated fat, which can boost cholesterol. More recent studies point to how gut bacteria process a part of the meat called L-carnitine. Limit your portions. Also look for lean cuts like round sirloin and extra lean ground beef. Soda. Having a small amount of added sugar isn't harmful, but a can of soda has more added sugar than experts recommend for a whole day. Soda drinkers tend to gain more weight and are more likely to be obese and have type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. And while the science is still fuzzy on diet drinks, some research links them to weight gain and strokes. Your best bet is plain carbonated and unsweetened flavored water. Processed meats. Hot dogs, sausage, salami, and lunch meat are the worst types of meat for your heart. They have high amounts of salt and most are in saturated fat. When it comes to dry meats, turkey is better for you than salami because it doesn't have the saturated fat, but it still has a fair amount of sodium, so it isn't as heart healthy as fresh sliced turkey breast. Foods that are bad for the circulatory system. Part 2. Pizza can be healthy if you make it the right way, but most takeout pizza and frozen peas have staggering amounts of sodium, fat, and calories, all of which can raise your risk of a heart attack. When you order out, opt for a thin crust whole wheat is possible. Ask for less cheese, pile on veggies, and skip the pepperoni or sausage, which are loaded with salt. For some heart-healthy pizza, make it yourself. Alcohol. Moderate drinking won't harm your heart unless you have high blood pressure or high triglycerides. A type of fat in your blood that can boost your odds of heart disease. Heavy drinking, on the other hand, can lead to high blood pressure, heart failure, strokes, and weight gain. So, if you don't already drink, don't start. French fries, the deep fried potatoes from restaurants and fast food places have lots of fat and salt, which is bad news for your heart. One study found that people who ate French fries or hash browns 2 to 3 times a week were more likely to die early. If you indulge, get the smallest portion possible or split your order. Even better, make your own oven-baked fries with heart-healthy olive oil. They will be even better for you if you use sweet potatoes. Fried chicken. Deep frying chicken adds calories, fat, and sodium to an otherwise healthy food. Studies have linked fried food with type 2 diabetes, obesites, obesity, and high blood pressure, all of which raise your odds of heart failure. For a crispy but healthier choice, bread singles chicken breast in whole wheat flour and bake instead of frying. Foods that are great for your circulatory system. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids which have been found to improve blood circulation. The higher of the cocoa percentage, the higher the flavonoid content. Nuts are high in healthy fats which support a healthy heart. The nutrients found in nuts also help relax blood vessels, which allows blood to flow through them much easier. Oranges and strawberries. Vitamin in strawberries and oranges act as natural blood thinners. Other foods with the same vitamins include lemons, bell peppers, broccoli, and pineapple, tomatoes and watermelons. Antioxidants and tomatoes and watermelons also found in other foods with red skin has been found to improve circulation. Salmon, avocado, flaxseed. Similar to nuts, fatty foods like salmon, avocado, and flax seeds have heart healthy fats and nutrients which stimulates blood flow. Beets. Beets are high in nitrate, which naturally dilates blood vessels, allowing for blood to flow more freely. Olives. Vitamins in olives also dilate blood vessels. Other foods with the same effect include sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and dark leafy greens. Spices. Garlic, ginger, and cayenne pepper are known to increase blood circulation. What to do to keep the circulatory system healthy? Number 1, quit smoking. Number 2, lose weight. Number 3, increase facial activity. Number 4, follow a healthy diet. Number 5, stay hydrated. Number 6, reduce stress. Fun facts. Let's go. Number 1, it takes 20 seconds for blood to circulate the entire human body. Only? That's so fast. Like kind of fast. Every part of the body receives blood except the eyes. Huh? Some animal species such as mollusks and lobsters have blue blood rather than red. Oh. Ancient Egyptians believed that the heart was the center of the body rather than the brain. The heart was preserved carefully after death while the brain was discarded. Ooh. Number 5, the circulatory system is extremely long because the circulatory system is around 60 miles long. Whoa! Number 6, people have studied the circulatory system for thousands of years. Whoa! Number 7, human blood comes in different colors but not blue. Academic honesty. These are my sources that I got the information from. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below for you to tell me what system you want for the next video or if you loved my video. And click on the playlist or the video on the side, or you can press on my channel and I will put the links down below on the comments sections. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. And we did nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, and circulatory system. Please tell me in the comment section, please. Bye.